An idiom is a phrase or a group of words that has metaphorical meaning which gives life to a conversation. Let's see some of them. Raining cats and dogs means it's raining a lot. No one knows the precise source of this expression. The most probable source is the fact that dead animals and other debris were sometimes washed up in the streets after heavy rain. Example:
It's raining cats and dogs today. Good thing I have my umbrella.
Hold your horses means hold on, stop. That's an expression from the old times when people used wagons or carriages, and when they needed to keep them under control, they would need to literally hold the horses back from running. Example:
Hold the horses, Grandma. That's probably fake.
Piece of cake is something very easy to do. Originated from slaves doing a dance called cakewalk, a dance made to look effortless. Slave owners would sometimes reward the best performer with a piece of whole cake. Example:
This math equation is a piece of cake.
A storm in a teacup is an overreaction to something not so important. The first mention here is from 1838, when the Scottish novelist Catherine Sinclair wrote a novel that said, "As for your father's good-humored jest being never taken up as a serious affair, it really is like raising a storm in a teacup." Example:
She's making a storm in a teacup over the fall.
Kick the bucket. Kick the bucket means to die. This term is derived from when suicides were common by a person preparing to hang himself and used the bucket to stand on, and then kicked the bucket. Nowadays, the expression is used in any kind of death situation. Example:
Did you know my kicked the bucket last week? He died in a car accident.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel for more, and I'll see you in the next time.